What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can use your Revolut Rev Points for discounts on shop purchases. Now first off, once you open up your profile, just go over to the Revolut Rev Points tab in the bottom right corner. Now once you're here, you would be able to see the amount of Rev Points that you have currently. So first let's check how the process works. So for this, let's go to the Redeem tab and then to Revolut Pay. So here you can see some info about how you can use your Rev Points to apply discounts on certain online shops. So you earn 2x Rev Points every time you purchase with Revolut Pay, and you can convert your Rev Points into discounts on your purchases with Revolut Pay. So this is the core of the program. You have some Rev Points, and then on the selected merchants or stores, you select Revolut Pay as a checkout option, and then you're redirected back into the Revolut app, and from there you can input the amount of Rev Points that you would like to use for a selected discount. So let's go ahead and check it out. Now go back to the Revolut Rev Points tab and just go ahead and select shops right here. So here you can see that you will earn, let's say for Dyson, you will earn 10 Rev Points for each 10 euros spent. But they don't show you the discount right away. So let's say for example that I want to use my Rev Points to purchase a Surfshark subscription. I will just tap on Surfshark and then click Shop Now. From here we would need to go to the checkout screen. So let's just quickly pretend to purchase something. And here for Surfshark specifically, I would first need to create an account. But essentially, once you create your account and go to the checkout screen, you will be able to select Revolut Pay as a checkout option or a payment option. So it's next to PayPal, MasterCard, and so on. Once you selected that, you will be redirected back to the Revolut app, and there you can select the amount of Rev Points that you can use to get a discount. And then once you selected your discount, your Revolut points will be redeemed for the discount, and you will pay the item cost using your Revolut balance. Here is also a quick screenshot from official Revolut website. If you want, you can just pause the video and read up on that. If you want to know how you can convert your Rev Points to cash, you can watch this video right here. So that's guys how you can use your Revolut points for shop discounts on the Revolut app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.